Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another crypto video. Yes, this topic has been mentioned from my viewers that I needed to talk about. And listen, I will talk about drip. What do I think and what do I think you guys should take from this video? Okay, I'm not here to tell you jump on drip is bullish, this or that, because ladies and gentlemen, quite frankly, I don't know myself. Okay, but I do wanna explain why I am gonna take a flyer, but okay, this guy, the Jeter's soy boys will soon have nowhere to hide. Drip can't be stopped. Minting is slowing, deflation is coming. That's true. That's a true statement. Okay, this is why I am gonna take a flyer on this. How much do I have in my pocket right now? Okay, around 230. I'm gonna probably invest, I don't know, $200. I actually did a simulation right here, because honestly, the way I'm looking at, guys, oh my god, people who are saying $197 drip, come on, get that out of your mind. You know, unless something crazy miraculous happens, there's just guys, do you understand what I'm saying? My investment here is, my goal is to be okay, this could pump to $1. You know what I mean? With time, when it comes officially deflationary, it's projects being built up on drip and stuff. Okay, yeah, I can see at $1. I can see $2. 0.93. I'm gonna get that's tough. Wait 1 second, let's see. 5,000. Can I change that to be 5,000? And 941. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, swap and deposit to faucet, of course not. Slippage, we're gonna change that to 1. Set slippage. Accept that minimum received. I would like to get 5,000, because obviously the way I'm thinking of it is this: if this reached $1 per, I want to get 5K. I don't want any number. You know what I mean? I'm weird with OCD numbers. Okay,